Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and I've been on vacation for a little while now, and I was actually on a road trip throughout part of the United States and had time to stop at quite a few Walmarts on the road. Well, as fellow car collectors, you guys know that your local stores normally don't carry everything that other stores do around the country, so it was very fun to find some brand new sets and models and cars and trucks that I've never seen at my local Walmarts. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of my gigantic Walmart super haul, and of course I'm missing some of the cars from these sets, but that's part of the fun of hunting and collecting these models, so let's get started. The new Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport Porsche 356 Speedster and Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup, a Team Transport Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX and Sakura Sprinter, and the Team Transport 69 Nissan Skyline van and the truck carry-on. Next, we have the 50th anniversary Favorites 71 AMC Javelin, the Favorites Series 60 Sport Econoline pickup truck, and the Favorites Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. I also found the gold SLR McLaren from the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz set, the yellow Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U300 truck, the blue Matchbox Mercedes-Benz CLS 500, and the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe. Up next, we have the Fast and Furious 70 Dodge Charger RT, and the very hard to find golden 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. I also finally found the last Japan Historics 2 model I was missing, the silver Datsun Bluebird 510. I found the yellow 90 Honda Civic EF from the Honda series, number 7 from that series, which is the red Honda S2000, and I also managed to find the Honda Racer. I picked up the 67 Chevy C10 from the 100 Years of Chevrolet Trucks, the green Chevy Blizzard 4x4, which is number 5 in the set, and the blue Chevy 1500 truck with the 100 on the side. Here we have the Nestle Butterfingers 71 Plymouth Satellite, number 4 in the candy set, the Nestle Goober 65 Ford Ranchero, and candy car number 5, the custom GMC panel van based on runs. I found the new Disney Mickey Mouse cars, starting with the Steamboat Willie 32 Ford, the 57 Plymouth Fury based on Mickey's Garden, the Mickey Mouse Band Concert Cove Light, the Brave Little Tailor Avant Garde, the blue Fantasia Mickey Mouse 40 Ford Coupe, the white Disney Prince Popper Torque Twister, the Mickey Mouse Club Rocket Box, and the very stylish Mickey Mouse Bread Box. I also picked up a new Hot Wheels trailer rig with an ATV called Haulin' Horsepower, one of my personal favorites, the brand new Matchbox Road Trip 2016 BMW i8, a silver Matchbox Jurassic World Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, the Jurassic World Mercedes-Benz Unimog U5020 truck, a Matchbox Jurassic World 5-pack called the All-Terrain Fleet, a second Matchbox Jurassic World 5-car pack, and this one is titled the Land Rescue Convoy, a gorgeous Hot Wheels 5-car pack, and of course this one is the brand new Hot Wheels Exotic set. I also grabbed a nice Hot Wheels 3-pack with a GT3 RS and an Acura NSX, and a second Hot Wheels 3-pack with a very nice Camaro and an Aston Martin Vantage GT3. I also came across the Hot Wheels Mystery Models Series 3, which is a very cool set, and I was unable to find the complete set, but I did pick up quite a few of them. Next, we have the new Hot Wheels monster trucks, starting with the Flaming Hot Wheels Delivery, the very aggressive monster truck Tiger Shark, one of my personal favorite trucks, which is the Bone Shaker, the bright purple truck with yellow wheels called Test Subject, the green Hot Wheels monster truck called the Skeleton Crew, an all-American truck called Stars and Stripes, and Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Up next, we have the new Hot Wheels monster trucks Demolition Double, starting with the Police and the Hooligan. Our next matchup is the Scorcher against the 32 Degrees. And the third matchup is the Mega Rex against the Leopard Shark. I also picked up the full-size edition of the Monster Truck Bone Shaker because this thing looks flaming hot. Now to carry all those brand new monster trucks, of course you need the gigantic Monster Mover. I found this Star Wars Darth Vader play case, which is a stow-and-go container for the Hot Wheels Battle Rollers. And to go along with it, I picked up the Star Wars character C-3PO with his land speeder. Here's a new Hot Wheels City playset for 2018. It's the Scorpion Drive and Attack. And the final Hot Wheels item I picked out is the Track Builder System Race Crate, which is a brand new pop-out raceway which features 3 races in 1 for expert builders. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars and toys to open up and play with, so if you guys want to catch all of the action, make sure you subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. I normally try to find all of the cars in a series before I open them on videos, so you may not see some of these cars until I find the complete set. But I do have some all-new videos coming soon, so thank you guys so much for for watching. I hope you had a great summer vacation, and I wish you all the best of luck finding some brand new Hot Wheels.